atirando igual tiro normal, tá subindo muito, tá subindo pra caralho. You happy?
I'm fucking happy.
I am happy.
A dramatic video from the Ukrainian front lines has surfaced, showing a fierce and relentless assault on Russian trenches carried out by Ukrainian soldiers alongside Brazilian volunteers. The shocking footage, already circulating widely on social media, reveals a coordinated strike that left Russian troops scrambling for cover under a hail of firepower. The visuals are raw, unfiltered, and a chilling reminder of how brutal trench warfare has become in the ongoing conflict.
Go!
The video begins with drone reconnaissance capturing Russian positions dug deep into the earth. From above, the trenches look fortified and heavily occupied, yet vulnerable as Ukrainian forces assemble for their attack. The buzzing sound of drones fills the air, recording every detail of Russian movement while relaying crucial data back to Ukrainian commanders preparing to unleash the assault.
Fazer uma foto? Caralho, mano!
Moments later, the scene shifts to Ukrainian infantry advancing cautiously but with determination. Among them, Brazilian volunteers can be seen shouting commands in accented English and Portuguese, their voices cutting through the chaos of gunfire. They move in sync with their Ukrainian counterparts, carrying advanced rifles, grenade launchers, and tactical gear that reflects their international backgrounds, proving that they have become fully integrated into the Ukrainian fighting force.
Finish. Come. You do it.
The attack erupts with terrifying speed. Automatic gunfire rattles across the battlefield as Ukrainian soldiers open fire, forcing Russian defenders to duck low in their trenches. Grenades are hurled with precision, their detonations echoing across the front and shaking the ground as smoke and dirt blast skyward. Russian attempts to return fire appear chaotic and uncoordinated as the attackers close in from multiple directions.
You have ammunition? Yeah, you have. Okay, this is full and ready.
Ukrainian troops push closer with steady discipline, using every scrap of cover-fallen trees, destroyed vehicles, and earthen mounds while Brazilian fighters fan out aggressively toward the flanks. Their combat style, shaped by experience in Brazil's jungles and urban operations, proves lethal in trench warfare. They move quickly, unpredictably, and with overwhelming aggression, catching the Russian defenders off guard and driving them back under relentless pressure. Russian soldiers attempt to retreat deeper into their positions, but drones circling above record every movement and relay the coordinates to Ukrainian units. Ukrainian commanders, aided by the volunteers, coordinate artillery fire and infantry maneuvers with ruthless efficiency, cutting off escape routes and hammering any attempts to reinforce the collapsing trench system. The Russians are effectively trapped in a tightening noose. As the battle intensifies, the thunder of mortars and the crack of heavy machine guns fill the air. Ukrainian and Brazilian forces unleash a storm of firepower, overwhelming defenders and clearing one section of the trench after another. The defenders' stronghold, which once appeared imposing and impenetrable, quickly degenerates into a death trap filled with smoke, fire, and broken bodies. Footage shows several Russian soldiers abandoning their weapons and attempting to flee across open ground. But there is no escape. FPV drones swoop down like guided missiles, zeroing in on the fleeing troops with terrifying precision. Each impact explodes into fire and shrapnel, leaving no safe haven. The combination of ground assault and aerial strike power proves devastating, leaving Russian forces in complete disarray. Ukrainian officials later confirmed that the assault was part of a broader campaign to dismantle Russian fortifications along a key sector of the front line. The inclusion of foreign fighters, particularly the Brazilians, is more than symbolic. It has introduced new levels of ferocity into Ukraine's counterattack. Their presence is both tactical and psychological, boosting Ukrainian morale while shaking Russian confidence. The Brazilian volunteers, many of whom once served in Brazil's armed forces, elite police units, or private security roles, are proving themselves to be highly effective. Ukrainian soldiers in the footage can be heard praising their allies' boldness and fearlessness. The Brazilians' aggressive tactics, charging into trenches, overwhelming positions, and taking risks others might hesitate to have earned them a reputation for ferocity that Russian troops now dread.
Be careful. The enemy is front of the line.
Ok, prepara mais
Russian propaganda outlets quickly reacted to the footage, labeling the Brazilian volunteers as mercenaries and accusing Ukraine of relying on foreign terrorist fighters. Yet, for Ukraine and its supporters, the involvement of international volunteers symbolizes something much larger: a global solidarity against invasion. Every foreign fighter represents not just an individual, but a message that Russia's war is being opposed far beyond Europe's borders.
Go, kid. Come here. Olha pra mim. No blood. Okay.
Analysts point out that the presence of South American volunteers has both military and psychological impact. For Ukrainian soldiers, it means they are not alone. Fighters from across the world believe in their cause. For Russian troops, however, the knowledge that they face enemies who have come from continents away only adds to the weight of fear and fatigue. It shows that the war is not isolated but global in consequence. As the footage continues to spread online, reactions are mixed admiration from Ukraine supporters, outrage from Russia, and horror from viewers worldwide. Yet one thing is undeniable. The sight of Brazilian volunteers standing shoulder to shoulder with Ukrainian troops in the heart of Europe's bloodiest war is a powerful statement. It demonstrates that every trench, every position, and every battle is now part of a larger struggle, one that transcends borders and turns each front line into a crucible of fire and steel.